Hello there, welcome to another one of our YouTube videos. For anybody who's watched it, last few videos, we've been fitting the kitchen in. Got this new sink in and got a dishwasher. I mentioned that because it is sort of relevant. Use the sink occasionally but want to protect it for washing anything in it. So we've had this delivered from Amazon. It's a sink that you put in the sink, and it's plastic. Came in a plastic bag, well wrapped. Yeah. Made by a company called Joseph. They're quite renowned for their products that are quite innovative. Basically, it's a wash tank, I guess. Basically, if you know what I mean. This sits in your sink. So let's remove that.
Why did we buy it?
To protect the sink.
Yeah, that's the reason why.
I think I've already said that.
Have you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Protect the sink.
Just protect the sink. That's all it is, so it don't get scratched.
Well, you can see what it does there.
Yeah.
Basically, it's self-explanatory. I guess the most important bit are those edges nice and smooth. Yeah. So it goes in your sink, basically, and you put your washing up in there. You fill your sink up, that up. The idea of it is you've just got a few bits to wash up. You don't want to be in your sink, you've got something real messy.
So it looks like it's got a. So this piece twists off and it's allow the water.
So it drains within the sea.
You just collector as well built into it.
So you twist that and it drains into your sink, which is quite good. So you can leave it in the sink. And if you do have any bits in it, you take those out.
And just put in the bin.
And empty in your bin.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Nice rubber seal on there. Is it easy? How easy is it? Easy. Then you could put it away. One of the reasons I got this, which appealed to me, it's small enough just to tuck it under your sink, which is quite good. Tuck it out of the way.
Yeah, under the sink. Yeah.
When you're not using it, and you can. I mean, you can store bits in it if you want. If you want to make use, if your space is limited, you can put clean stuff in there, etc. Probably ideal as a camping sink as well. Perhaps that's what they're sold for mainly, but it seemed a good idea in here just to protect the sink. So that's Joseph. I think it was, I can't remember. It was over £10. Wasn't a fortune.
Have a look at the front of it. There we go. So if you're thinking about buying one of these and you just want to see what the quality's like, and not that it's rocket science, but want to see how it actually works, and we hope our video helps you make your decision whether to buy one or not. How would you rate it out of 10?
Good quality. In fact, you could say walking around with this, collect your crockery off a table. So say you're eating, put all your dirty crockery in here, carry it to the sink, which is quite good as well. Especially for older people, or if you know you're a bit wobbly on your feet, you could carry that around. Glass collection, anything really. It's ideal, to be honest. Yeah, great for kids.
If things spill inside it, it won't spill while you're carrying it around.
Great for kids if they're clearing the table for you, or you want to wash something outside, I guess. You can even, I know my little girls used to wash their dollies and that, so it's multi-purpose, depends what you want to use it for. Anyway, thanks for watching.